Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Plus500 to TradingView in 2026. For that, simply in your web browser, come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, you need to log in here with the help of your email address if you haven't already. Once you do so, you will see this type of page in front of you. So here, use the search bar on the top. Then by default, you will be under this symbols section and you will see this type of all tab. So among the given tabs here on the top, you can click on the option of crypto, or you can keep it here on all and search for the symbol of that particular chart which you want to launch. So let's say I want to launch the chart of Bitcoin. So I'm going to be clicking on the chart of the launch chart, and here you are going to see this type of Bitcoin chart in front of you. So once you are here, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now click on the option of show all brokers. Now from this particular list, you just have to look for Plus500. You can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then when you type Plus500, when you are able to find it over here, simply click on it once. Then it will ask whether you want to basically connect your live account here or you want to connect your demo account here. So you can choose any of these, then click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you here on the official website of Plus500. Now here you just have to simply provide your username and your password, and you need to sign in into your account. Then it may ask you for the authentication. So you just have to authorize TradingView, and this way you will be able to connect Plus500 to TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.